My name is Gabe Pijas.
And I'm Francesca Calvano. We are the co-directors of the Rome Institute of Liberal Arts, or RILA. We founded RILA 15 years ago, and we have been introducing students to Rome and to Italian life ever since. RILA will offer a full spring semester program in 2023, as well as a 6-week summer program from early June to mid-July. UT Austin students can receive credit for any of our programs.
But why Rome? Rome is unique and has so much to offer because it wasn't just the center of the West in ancient times, but it stayed relevant through the Middle Ages and again became a major world center in the early modern period. It's a great place to think about not only the ancient past, but also about how we became modern. Tourists that come to Rome and mechanically follow a guidebook simply have no idea what's important about what they see around them. It takes a deeper engagement to open up the city. We'll show you the way in by reading major authors of the past who can shed light on what you see around you in Rome, but who are also relevant to you today. We'll also give preparatory lectures each week on the art and history to give you context for the places we'll visit together. We immerse you in Rome's ancient and modern art and history, and will guide you through it, but we'll leave you lots of time to explore the city on your own.
One of our strengths is that we offer small classes with a maximum of 14 students in our spring semester program classes and 16 students in our summer program classes. As VILA students, you receive a lot of individual attention from our faculty, both in the classroom and as you explore the city together, so you always get a chance to ask the questions that matter to you. An important feature of our programs is a strong sense of community, so you never feel lost.
In addition to work in the classroom, every week we'll take multiple trips around Rome, accompanied by faculty, to visit museums, ancient sites, churches, Renaissance buildings, and modern Rome, admiring firsthand the works of Michelangelo, Raphael, Caravaggio, Bernini, and Borromini, as well as others. We'll also take several trips outside of Rome, to ancient cities, Renaissance palaces filled with art, and secret gardens in the countryside around Rome. In addition, we'll visit major cities like enchanting Venice, Padua, with its ancient university and Giotto's art, Naples, a lively city with a unique history where we'll have the best pizza in Italy. We'll visit Florence, the heart of the Italian Renaissance, and Siena, where you take a step back in time and find yourself walking the streets of a medieval republic.
All our housing is in Rome itself, in apartments with other villa students. Spring semester classes are in Rome's university neighborhood, where you can get an authentic experience of Italian student life, while our summer students live in characteristic neighborhoods in the center of Rome. In the unlikely event that classes are cancelled due to the pandemic, our generous cancellation policy lets you choose between a full refund or taking a lower price version of the classes online.
For details on our program, you can visit our website, www.realarts.org, or you can check us out on social media. We have great photos on Instagram and Facebook, and feel free to contact us by email for information about our programs too. Well, hope to see you soon in Rome.